I think I started this comparison the same way most people do. I was looking for a winner, you know, the one tool I could recommend to everyone so nobody had to think twice. But after a while, I gave up on that idea because these two platforms kept surprising me for different reasons. The more I looked at them, the more I realized I wasn't comparing software anymore. I was comparing two completely different ways of working. Here's something I don't hear many people talk about. When you're creating 3D assets, the model is only one part of the job. You're probably taking it into Blender, Unity, Unreal Engine, or somewhere else anyway. You're going to adjust it, test it, maybe even rebuild parts of it. So asking which AI creates the best 3D asset feels a little like asking which pencil writes the best novel. The tool helps, but it isn't doing the creative thinking for you. That's why Meshy AI caught my attention first. It felt like the kind of tool that helps you get ideas out of your head before you have time to overthink them. I'd try one prompt, then another, and suddenly I had multiple concepts sitting in front of me. If you're a solo creator, an indie game developer, or someone who needs to prototype quickly, that kind of speed is hard to ignore. Hunyuan made me slow down, not because it was difficult, but because it made me think more carefully about what I actually wanted. Instead of generating 10 different ideas, I found myself spending more time refining one direction. For projects where quality matters more than quantity, I can understand why that approach would appeal to a lot of people. Then something clicked. I wasn't choosing between two AI tools, I was choosing between two different workflows. One helps you explore, the other encourages you to refine. Neither one is wrong, they just solve different problems. And honestly, I think that's why so many comparison videos leave people confused. They're trying to crown one winner when the better question is, what kind of creator are you? If you're constantly brainstorming and testing ideas, you'll probably appreciate one approach. If you're already working toward a specific vision, the other might fit naturally into your workflow. So before spending your money, I'd forget the feature list for a minute. Think about the next project on your desk. Which tool would actually help you finish that project faster? That's a comparison that really matters. Now, I want to ask you something. If you could keep only one AI 3D tool for the next year, would you choose Meshy AI or Hunyuan? Comment below and tell me why. I'm curious to see which workflow creators actually prefer and what matters most in your projects.